Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by gathering tools and isolating power. This prevents shorts and pounding sparks. Once done, remove the seat and disconnect the battery negative terminal so systems are dead. Next, take off the underseat tray and any small storage liners to expose apron fasteners. Use a plastic trim tool to pry hidden clips and remove visible Phillips and 10mm bolts. Doing this first gives you clear access and prevents breaking fragile plastic during the deeper panel removal. You now unbolt the front apron. Remove the 4 to 6 screws holding it and keep each bolt with its original hole so reassembly is smooth. Once unbolted, pull the apron forward with even force to release clips. If a clip resists, use the trim tool rather than force to avoid cracking. After the apron is free, locate the headlight wiring harness at the rear of the housing, depress the tab, and unplug the connector so the headlamp can be fully withdrawn. You slide the headlight assembly straight out, noting bulb orientation and the rubber boot so receding is exact. If replacing just the bulb, remove the boot, swap the bulb while avoiding skin contact, then reseal the boot. If replacing the whole unit, fit it into the same alignment slots. Reconnect the headlight connector, reconnect battery negative, and test the beam for function and aim. If the lamp flickers, check the connector pins for corrosion or a loose ground.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.